Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Unyistitches. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support, and to my new audience, thank you so much for stopping by. In this channel, we upload videos on sewing tutorials, DIY, sewing tricks, sewing tips, and lots more, even styles. So in today's tutorial, we want to learn how to sew this beautiful neckline. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight to the tutorial. This is what we need: your front piece and then the material that you want to use for the wig. I've ironed it already. This material measures about 20 by 4 inches. Yeah. You can decide to use 2 pieces. Then if you have a strap that is long, fine. But if you don't have, you can use 2 pieces. Then I will fold my strap into 2. Make sure that it matches at the center. So I will go to my sewing machine and sew on the line that I have just drawn. I have finished sewing on the line. So now I will use my scissors and cut it out as I'm doing now. So the next thing is for me to flip it over to the right side. Arrange it well, making sure that I open up the seam so that the both sides will match up. The next thing is for me to mark where I want my design to start. After marking it, I'll pin it down this way, the center to matches the center. Then I will turn it. Believe you can see. Turn it this way, then go to my sewing machine and sew it. Can you see how beautiful it looks? So now the next step is for me to top stitch. So let's go to the sewing machine and top stitch.